Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today we cover S&P Capital IQ. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to obtain company information. Let's get started. Go to the library website at lib.purdue.edu to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find S&P Capital IQ there. S&P Capital IQ is a top tool for obtaining company information. It works best with public companies. It contains detailed company financials, ratios, multiples, valuations, and a lot more. S&P Capital IQ is also a top tool for obtaining other types of company intelligence: board and executive biographies, competitor analysis, equity pricing, filings, credit ratings, supply chain insight, and more. Note: S&P Capital IQ requires you to create a free account with your Purdue email credentials. Here is the home page. A quick search box is available to find companies, funds, and people. A navigation menu links to other data analysis, like screening and charting. You can download an Excel add-in to build and manipulate financial data. Go to My Capital IQ, Downloads, to get the Excel add-in. We'll use the navigation menu to look for a public company. Go to Companies. If you're looking for news, events, filings and annual reports, or investment research, you can pinpoint that topic. We'll look for Lululemon. A list of companies will appear, including subsidiaries. We want the NASDAQ public company. Here's the company profile for Lululemon Athletica. At the top, you'll find basic facts about the company, like their website, ticker symbol, and year founded. Scroll down to find more: a business description, primary office location, stock data, quite a lot of overview data. The left menu is very important. Take the time to examine it on your own. It allows you to find robust data about a company. Remember, S&P Capital IQ works best with public companies that are required to disclose information by government regulatory agencies. Many Purdue users analyze the financials valuation. For example, key stats. You can modify the date range, and you can download the data to the Excel add-in. Many Purdue users leverage the quick comps data. Who are Lululemon's competitors, and how do their financials compare? Other options to explore. Chart Builder allows you to explore equity pricing. You can gain insight into supply value chain. Get quarterly earnings call transcript, 10K reports, and more. If you need more help using S&P Capital IQ, click on the help link. Now you know how to access S&P Capital IQ, what's in it, and how to obtain company information. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, contact the Parish Library. Thank you.